Oh, did I do that?
You're supposed to be down here stopping me, you Johnny. Guess who's back? It's been a minute since we did an episode of Clean Up, and I wanted to get back on, do another episode just to make sure that I can keep my monthly paycheck coming in. And today we're doing car wash essentials. All the products that you need that you can properly wash your car. So what we're gonna go over today is all the basics that you need to have in your garage to make sure that you can get your car washed. It's gonna be a good episode. I think you guys will enjoy it. The first thing that no. Yeah. The first thing is that you gotta do, because once you have these products, you have the essentials. This is the essentials. 1, 2, here are the essentials. I'm not washing cars today. We're gonna just do the sneaky edit. Dude, nah, I thought honestly, I was like, sweet, I can film this episode today, I won't sweat. I think I got hot. Well, that flew out the window real quick. Everything I'm gonna show you today, I've already showed you, but I thought it would be worthwhile to show you guys some of the essentials that you should have in your car kit. So like, if you just got a car, you have nothing to clean it at home, and you don't know, wait, what are the things that I need? Well, I've got 37 things to show. I've got how many? I've got 6 things to show you today, and these are the basics that you should have. 1, you could argue and you get away without having, but if I were you, I would have it, because then that means you come and buy it from us, and that keeps me in a job. So these are all basically ways for me to get money from you and pretend that it's about cleaning your car. So let's start with number 1. If you're gonna wash your car, you need a car wash. You can't use squeezy or some other dish detergent because it is gonna ruin your car. Don't be an idiot. Use actual car wash. It's not that difficult. I've used this one 100,000 and 50,000 times, and I put it in this bucket, and my bucket's always having koi fish. I mean, grit guard. Get a grit guard.
Talk to your doctor about any history of depression or other mental health problems, which can get worse while taking.
Grit guard.
Some people have had changes in behavior, hostility, agitation, depressed mood, and suicidal thoughts or actions while taking.
Grit guard.
Patients also reported trouble sleeping and vivid, unusual, or strange dreams. Until you know how
Grit guard
may affect you.
It helps protect your car from swirls and scratches. It's really easy to use. You have a bucket, you just put it in, and now you're using it. You don't have to do anything else. This goes in here, you foam up, and then once your car is wet, you wash it. I like to use microfiber wash mitts. These are the best ones. These will be available in stores soon, but we have lots of other good options from different brands. They don't look exactly like this, serve the same purpose. You have nice soapy water, and now you wash your car, okay?
I'm speechless.
And once the car is clean, and you use good car wash, you don't have to worry about it. Next, so now your car is clean, like this one. I've talked maybe about this product more than possibly any other product that's ever existed in humankind, known to mankind, that's ever been in the world since the dinosaurs. Code Red. So when you come to clean your car, like I just showed you where you wash, you want to make your life easier and clean your wheels with the least amount of effort, you need to have Code Red, okay? This is, you can, if you want to, get a separate sponge, not the same one you wash your car with, and use the same soap and come here or get some wheel brushes and clean the thing. Or you can be a smarty pants and come and buy Code Red, and you just spray some on the wheel like that, leave it for a little bit, and then wait for it to be after you've left it, and then you just wash it off. And then you say, oh, well, one wheel's clean, so we come do the other wheel. And when you're ready, you just go to the other wheel, and you spray it on the wheel, and it comes clean. There's literally no other easier product to use. You must have this. If you don't have this, just give up, okay? Call it quits, your day's done. So I've showed you all the wash that I recommend to get the car clean. I've showed you all the wheel cleaner that I recommend to get the wheels clean. Most of your work is behind you now. It's time to dry the car off. And let me explain something else. I'm gonna rant. If you're still the type of person that likes to use a chamois to dry your car, how do I say this nicely? You are an idiot, okay? And I mean that in the nicest way possible. I'm saying that to you as a friend. You're wasting your time, okay? You need to get this Liquidator drying towel. This will change your life. I've done 150,000 videos on this as well. Similar to the other product I mentioned, I also did 150,000 videos on. They're all on YouTube. You can find them there and some other places. This is the best drying towel you'll ever have. This will take you from drying a car with a stinking chamois that takes 10 or 15 minutes into like 3 minutes with this. Plus, because it's microfiber, you're not gonna scratch your car and keep it nice and shiny. And I like to pair it with a ceramic detail spray. We have lots of different detail sprays in the store, but this is the best one because it's the most expensive. No, let me redo that. But this is the best one because it's the best. There are other ones, but choose this one. Not because it's the most expensive. There's other reasons, just not that. You can figure it out. So your car is nice and wet still. This is the best time to dry it, when it's wet. If it's dry, you don't need to dry it. So you come to it, get some detail spray on it. You want to get some detail spray on it. And once you have the spray on, you can put it you can put it on, and then you just get your towel and you dry it. And this is a technique most of you probably aren't familiar with. And then the car is dry and your day is done. Except there's one final step to do before your car is perfect and ready to hit your road. Go to a car show, pick up your girlfriend, boyfriend, auntie, uncle, sister, brother, cousin, or maybe go to a funeral. Rip, sorry to hear. Car's been washed, the wheels have been cleaned. Now it's dry. After you use the drying towel that I showed you and some ceramic detail spray or some other detail spray, but use the ceramic one, get that one, it's the best one to have. Now you need to put some tire shine on. You can't go looking like, you can't put tire shine on. You can't go looking stink, clean car, nasty looking, light gray wheels. You need tire shine. Today I'm going to just show you Crystal Untouchable. This is by far our best seller. People love it because it's as glossy as you can possibly want and it lasts at least 30 weeks. It's probably closer to 3, but in some cases, like if you put this on and parked the car for 29 weeks, it would still be there. But in real life, it's probably closer to 3. If you park it, 30. So you can do the math and split the difference and divide by. Anyway, tire shine should be the last thing you apply. And it's always best to make sure that you're applying it in nice open air. Now most people like to get close and, you know, apply it like this, in this motion. I prefer a little momentum to just help you get through it faster. See? This is just one technique. There's many. This is probably not a good one. You could do it this way too, right? And it'll be fine. Now you don't have to worry about it. Try both, see which one you prefer. Crystal Untouchable, as I said, just like the detail spray, we've got a couple different tire shines available in the store. Take your pick. They're all good. They're all slightly different, but they're all at the same time are the same. So, anyway, I think that's a good place to stop. Should we outro? That's it. Guys, that's the end of this episode. I showed you what I think are the essentials to have in your car care kit for your home. Are there more things? Yes. Are they all in our store? Yes. Do you need these and those? Yes. Thank you for asking. You do actually need both. All. These ones, plus all the other stuff. One of each, you're set. Maybe in a little while we'll do like a more advanced, what are some advanced things I could keep in my garage at home to keep my car clean, but these are the basics. A good car wash, a nice tire shine, a very good wheel cleaner, a nice detail spray to use when you're drying the car or in between washes, the best and last drying towel that you'll ever need, a nice bucket, a nice mitt, and a grit guard. You don't need anything else. I'm done with this video. I'm hot. It's raining. I have to go and repair my shopping cart after a horrible accident that happened earlier. So I'll see you all in the next episode of this or another show. I don't know. I've been thinking a lot lately about what I want to do and like where my future is going, and so this is taking a turn. So I think I'm gonna just leave it here. See you all later. Bye bye.